Here we come to the elevators at the Crown Tower building in San Antonio, Texas. These are Otis Lexan from 1973 with an EPCO flushline call button.
I meant to say Haloline.
We got the hanging lanterns, look at that. There's music in the lobby, so that's why I came in so quickly. Classic leveling. Barely classic level because it's an Otis. Go down to L. It's just your basic elevator here. These are your Otis Lexan fixtures right here. Oh, let's stop hard. Oh, look at that classic leveling. I just literally saw that. 88 phone. Alright, here's the other elevator card. Sorry, I literally cut the video because I literally thought this one is not working, but it somehow just showed up out of nowhere. Whoa, this thing stops super hard. Oh, this one serves the 8th floor. This one serves the 8th floor. There's music playing on almost every single floor, so there is no way that I could avoid it. I do apologize. See, that's classic leveling. Whoa. Oh, it barely does. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even realize. Oh, I didn't realize that there's an 8th floor. What was I thinking? I did not even push that. Why did I push 7 on the other elevator? I literally almost thought this one serves only the 7th floor, but nope, they serve both floors. What on earth was I even thinking? All right, here it is. Same 88 phone like the other ones. These are your fixtures. They're Otis Lexan fixtures. Look at that. I wish the fan was not on so I could hear the motors and relays. How's this classic leveling? Wow, it stops so hard. Oh, it didn't classic level much. I'm sorry to not mean to push 7 on the other elevator card because I literally had no idea that this served 8 floors and I thought 8 is locked. I'll go take for one ride on the other elevator card because I want to see that classic leveling. You know what? I think I'm gonna end it up here because I don't have to deal with that annoying music in the lobby. I guess we'll take the other elevator car back down. This is the only floor, I believe, that has no music. I don't want to keep stopping on every floor causing inconvenience to others. Oh, this one's got a working indicator. Down the L end there. It's your original Otis logo right there. Gotta watch this classic leveling. This thing is insanely incredible. Watch this. Wow. Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my camera off because the music is playing down here in the lobby, so hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.